Hey guys, this is Kron, and I want to talk about the next iteration of the exoskeleton mask that I created. First of all, why did I create a mask? Two main reasons. Number one, I wanted privacy, the same privacy that I have within the comforts of my room or the comforts within my car, where I could go ahead and listen to music, where I could go ahead and be able to be in my own space, is what I wanted to go ahead and have in public. When you're in public, that kind of gets taken away from you. And it's left to your own devices. You could either go ahead and wear a hoodie, you could go ahead and wear glasses, you could go wear all this stuff to go ahead and give you a sense of personal space. But in my case, I wanted that for business and public at all times. And that's what this mask gave to me. The second thing is that I wanted a way of being able to optimize two very important things. One is memory, being able to recall or being able to have a sense of memory where I could go ahead and see something, be able to capture it, and be able to recall it whenever I want. I'll get into that a little later on. The second is analytical skills. We as humans are only able to go ahead and analyze so much information. Different people have different analytical style capabilities. Some people are able to analyze large pieces of information very quickly. This device gives me this device greatly increases my analytical capabilities, and I'll talk about that as well later on. The first thing that I'm going to go ahead and go through is the mask itself. This mask is called a Sly Prophet. It's a paintball mask. It has very good ventilation, very good eyesight. It comes with some pretty big goggles here. It's very comfortable. If you could see, there's a lot of padding in here, and it makes it very, very comfortable. So when I'm in here, the first thing that I notice is just how comfortable, and again, it creates that personal space. Here's another device here. This device is basically a motorcycle headset. You sync it or pair it to your mobile device, and you're able to listen to capture calls, talk, listen to music. You're able to control the volume from here. You're able to go ahead and shuffle from one song to another. Let me show you how it's set up here. Here's the ear sets. I just went ahead and just opened up a slit and tucked them in here on both sides. And if you notice, this tube goes all the way to the front right here. And that's your microphone. That's how you're able to go ahead and talk. The next thing is this helmet light. When you're walking at night, you need a way of being able to illuminate. Again, I wanted something that's wearable and something that's very easy to where when I turn my head, there's going to be light directed at the area where I want to go ahead and have it focused on. This is very flexible, so you could actually go ahead and point it in different directions. The second thing is that you're able to have it in different intensities. The third and the most important part of this exoskeleton is, I would say, this is the motor. This is the brains of it. This is a smart glasses. Specifically, it's the Epson BT300. It's powered by Android Lollipop version 5.1. If you're going to go ahead and see, you notice that here's this line over here, wire, and it's tethered to this device. This is what captures the Wi-Fi, and it's like a mouse pad. You're able to go ahead and control, maneuver from one application to another. You're also able to go ahead and do it right here on top, and you also have some basic functionality here where you're able to go back to the previous screen. You're able to go to the main screen, etc., etc. This smart glasses was too big, and too big for the Exo mask itself. So I created two slots, and these are the slots that you're seeing. to be able to accommodate the smart glasses. This left hand side right here, or my left, you're going to go ahead and notice that it has video, and it also has a camera embedded in there. I'm going to try, and let's see if I have success, for you to show you what the layer of image, how it looks for for these smart glasses. Let's see here. It's not going to be perfect, but let's see if we can make this work here. Do you see that right there? See, so as I'm moving around, I'm able to go ahead and read my emails. I'm able to look at the internet. I'm able to see movies. I'm able to do whatever you do in a mobile device. Open up apps, Facebook, etc., etc. And I use that device right there to be able to go ahead and control it. So I talked about, so this unit provides me with the privacy of having my own personal space and harmony. The second thing is, I did mention, is having super memory and having super analytical skills. There is a way of being able to go ahead and do it, which I'll talk about in another video. If you are interested in becoming part of this community of, I guess for the better part, mutants, because that's what we are, in all sense of the word. We are different. We are not accepted by society at this moment. We are going to be within each other to be able to get feedback with each other, to be able to enhance this exo mask and eventually other parts. If you are interested, please feel free to go ahead and contact me or leave a comment below. And thank you. Thanks again. This is Kron and I'm out. Bye.